Hello traders and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's live trading section, I'm going to be taking one live trade with our strategy, and as usual I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can learn and apply the same while you are trading. So if this is the first time here and you are a beginner trader or you are a struggling trader, make sure to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out in any important detail. So if you are here for the first time, do it to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out in content like this. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to try to analyze this chart. We are going to be taking a trade for 5 minutes. I will have that set up, and this is a 1 minute candle time frame, as you can see here, and this is Euro GBP currency pair. So we try to analyze this chart. You can see that this is a smooth uptrend situation and the market is currently on its retracement phase. So we are going to try to draw some key levels so we can understand what is actually going on in the market, so we can know how to enter into a trade in this market condition. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to draw a support level, and we will have that here. I'll make this white and bold so you can see. So right now the market is trying to reverse, but I'm not sure if this is a clear signal to go for a trade. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to draw a trend resistance level. I will have that over here. Let's try to see. The market has made a pattern here, and let's see if the market will continue to respect it. We can see here that the market has already broken this trend resistance level. I'll try to get it as correctly as possible. So yeah, it was respected here and here, and it's currently broke it here, but we see what will happen if this candle will close above it or not, and then we know what to do from there. If it didn't close above it, and you can see that this candle has closed inside of this symmetric triangle. We see what happens with this candle as well. If we cannot get a breakout, we will look for the market to retrace back and give us some weaknesses, and then we can go if we have a strong entry from the buyer. So you can see that this is a strong support level. It previously worked here as resistance, so I'll try to get the whole zone. So this is a whole zone of resistance in the past, and it is currently now working as a support. We will try to see what happens. We have to wait for a clear breakout from this level so we can take a trade, but right now we are not having such breakouts. We are having some rejections from the sellers, and it is not a good thing for us at all. So we'll wait for the market to get weak, because right now we are having very strong candles, and I am not comfortable. This is not in favor of my strategy. I need to wait for some weaknesses. Preferably I will wait for the market to retrace back and give us some very clear weaknesses around this support level. Then we can have a clear signal of the buyer's entry before we can take a trade. But if we can have a very positive candle also from this level breaking above this resistance, we can also take a trade. I will try to get another level, and this is the previous. The market has reversed from here. Okay, this will also serve as a zone of resistance, and right now the market is not making proper moves of surpassing this level. If this market, the candle closes above this area, I'm definitely going to take for a trade, but it will preferably I will be looking to see some weaknesses around this area. What I'm trying to say about weaknesses is I want to see very small candles not this type of candles. I want to see small candles and then followed by a strong candle in favor of the buyers, and then I would definitely go for that trade. So I'm definitely going to wait. This is a good candle. This is a good candle. You can see that the market at a point it got here and the buyers have pushed it to the level, and this is a very strong fight going on here. The candle will close as a red candle. It has reversed again from this previous resistance level. So this resistance level is acting like a strong zone in this market, because the market is constantly reversing from it. It has reversed here and it reversed multiple times around here, but if the market finally breaks this level, we expect the market to rise. So we'll wait for that to happen. Right now we don't have any of these in our favor. Let us see if we can let's see what happens with this candle. If it can close above this level, and then we will take a trade. So this level has acted as a very strong support level, because as the market is moving right now, it's a very good sign that the market will reverse from this previous resistance level. I was thinking that the market should get here, but I am not sure that will happen. If the market closes above this resistance level, I'm definitely going to take a trade, because if that happens, the market will continue to rise. We are having the weaknesses around this area, which is a good thing. Let's see what will happen. So we will wait for this to happen. We don't have all of that confirmations right now, so we'll fast forward this video till when I have the chance to take the trade, and after that I will explain everything about the setup so you too can apply the same while you are trading. So let's wait. So I have placed the trade. We have the clear breakout from this resistance level, and I believe that the market should continue to rise, because these are the weaknesses that I have been waiting for, and this is a very strong Maribozu candle that has broken above all of this area, and it has closed far above this level of resistance, which has been respected multiple times in the market. So we'll wait for this trade to finish, and at the end of this trade I'm going to explain everything in detail why I've placed this trade. So let's wait. So guys, we have won this trade. Now let me explain everything about this trading setup. I will take everything off so I can start from scratch. So when I came into this market, the market was somewhere around this area, I believe. So now the first thing I observed was like that this market was an uptrend, and you know, when the market runs in a trending market, it has to run and then it has to retrace. So this for me was the retracement phase. Now the retracement phase is also can be called the rest phase, because the market will run and then it will rest, then it will run again. Now the rest phase will have the market resting on the shoulder of the previous structure that has been broken in the market, and you can see clearly here that this was the previous obvious area that the market can actually rest upon, and you can see that the market did just that. Now I indicated this area out and I tried my best to get the whole zone. This was the resistance in the past. It worked once, it worked twice here, and then I was expecting that it has to work again. I mean, it has to be serve as a strong area for the market to respect, though I believe that if this area was broken, the next area would have been here, but it didn't happen. The market didn't break this level, so there was nothing to talk about there. So now the second thing I did was I had to wait for some weaknesses around this area for me to take that trade, but I didn't get the weaknesses, and then the market began to rise from this area with a strong entry. And then the next thing I did was I had to draw a trend resistance area, and I had it exactly around this area. Let me make this white and bold so you can see. So now this candle, actually at this point when I was drawing this level, this candle was running, so the candle broke this trend or resistance level, but it wasn't a clear breakout for me, so I didn't take a trade on this candle. And then I wanted to wait for this next candle to see if I can have a proper breakout, but the market it opened around here and the buyers pushed the market to this level. Then the sellers, they stepped in and pushed the market, and it closed far below the area where it has opened. So I had to wait for the next candle to see if I can have a positive breakout this time, but the same thing happened. And because of that, I understood that this area might be a strong area in the market. So the next thing I did was I brought in a horizontal level and I put it here to spot out that reversal, why the market is reversing from that level, because I have understood now that this is a strong area in the market. So I brought out the whole zone, and this for me became a strong resistance level. And then several attempts to break this level, it didn't happen, so I had to wait till I can have a proper breakout from this level, and that was all about this trading setup. So if you notice, you will see that, let me get this clear. So the market got weak around this area. You can see that the candles got smaller and smaller, and then followed by this strong entry from the buyers that closed above this area. So this was a clear indication that the market will continue to rise from this level, because this was a very strong resistance area in the market that the market has been running away from. On multiple attempts, the market has rejected from this resistance level. Immediately the market broke this level, I took this trade, and you can see that we have won this trade, and the market has been rising ever since then. So this is everything about this trading setup. I hope you understand everything about this trading setup. If you have questions, do it to drop them on the comment section. I will be very glad and happy to respond to all of your questions. If this is your first time here and this is something that you like, do it to smash the like button, and also do it to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. So on this note, I'm going to end the trading section, and I will see you again soon. But till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.